This is the Genesis G90, and you might say it's Korea's flagship sedan to the rest of the world. And in this video, a quick overview of the G90 in general, and then a very detailed look at its interior, rear seating, space, interfaces, switchgear controls, and the like. Basically, if there's something you're interested in seeing inside of the G90, you'll probably be seeing it in this video. So, the top dog model from a Korean luxury brand that's big on giving you relatively affordable access to a world-class motoring experience for thousands less than you might spend on a big dollar luxury car. You get a 5-liter V8, all-wheel drive, all the toys, and a lexicon stereo that I wish you could hear. On my Instagram, which is mr2pritch, if you're interested, some folks said that they just could not get enough of this interior, and in particular, the lovely caramel color scheme that makes me want to have large amounts of sweet and delicious caramel, but I'm on a diet. So, fellow caramel fans who are trying to watch their waistlines, perhaps feasting your eyes on this will suffice. I'll now cut the voiceover and let the visuals do the talking. Enjoy the video.